Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we can say that delta x would equal x initial t, where t would be equal to delta x divided by vx initial, which would simply be equal to vx because there's no acceleration in the x direction. So this would be 36.0 meters divided by v initial. So in this case, it would be 20.0 cosine of 37 degrees. Units here would be meters per second, and this would equal 2.254 seconds. At this point, we can solve for the height, the maximum height of the ball. So we can say that this would be the final height of the ball. So y final equals y initial plus vy initial t plus 1/2 gt squared. We are going to say that g is going to be negative, which means that we're choosing upwards to be positive. So we can say that y initial is 0, and we can say that this is going to be equal to 20.0 sine of 37 degrees meters per second multiplied by 2.254 seconds, and then we can say plus 1/2 times negative 9.80 meters per second squared multiplied by 2.254 seconds quantity squared, and this is giving us 2.24 meters. The field goal is 3 meters high, so 2.24 meters being less than 3 meters high, we can say that the football does not clear. The bar. At this point, it is 0.76 meters too low. So in order to find the sufficient amount of a sufficient range, we can say that y final equals y initial plus vy initial t plus 1/2 gt squared. Now here we are going to say that he can't kick the ball any harder. However, we can find time. We can find the time that it must be in the air, so that we can find a range from which he can kick the football and make the field goal. So we can say 3.00 meters. This is going to equal 0, so that term is eliminated. And this would be 20 sine of 37 degrees multiplied by t, or rather meters per second multiplied by t, and then minus 4.90 meters per second squared multiplied by t squared. This is a quadratic equation, as you can see. So t is going to, you can use your TI 84, 85, or 89 in order to solve for t, and t is going to equal 2.1757 seconds. Delta x would then be equal to, again, vx t. This would be equal to 15, or rather we can say 20 cosine of 37 degrees multiplied by 2.1757 seconds. And sorry, I forgot to mention the second answer would be 2.2814 seconds. This would be, again, this is a quadratic equation, so of course we're going to get two values for t, and so the two values would indicate the range of the horizontal displacement from which we can kick the football. This is going to equal 34.746 meters, and then delta x equals, again, 20 cosine of 37 degrees. Here it's going to be multiplied by 0.2814 seconds. This is giving us 4.49 meters. So here the kick must be made in the range from 4.49 meters to 34.746 meters. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.